Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a 360 lace front wig without a 360 lace front. If you find this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So if you can't afford it, if you can't buy it, you can just make yours at home. In this tutorial I'm going to use a 360 lace front cap. You actually don't have to use a 360 lace front cap. I used it because I had it. So you can just use an ordinary cap, but then you have to sew a lace on it to make the edges look more natural. You can get this lace from any supply beauty shop near you. You can get it from Alibaba, AliExpress, or Amazon. I'll put an Amazon link for you in the description box down below. And also I have a tutorial on how to sew the lace on the cap. I'll also put it in the description box down below just in case you're interested. So this is the hair that I'm going to use. It's called Super Bohemian. I got it from Best Ladies. You actually don't have to use the exact hair that I'm using. Just check the local supply beauty shop and get any wavy hair. So I prefer wavy to straight one because with this one it kind of just covers the hairline, because I'm going to sew this hair on the cap, and it kind of covers the hairline and makes it look more natural. I've already marked where I'm supposed to sew. So these are 360 lace. So I have to mark where I'm supposed to sew before sewing, just to guide me on where I'm supposed to sew my weave. So I'm first of all going to start with 18. So make sure the hair that you're using is like 18 or 20 and above. Don't use like 16 or 40. Don't use a shorter one, especially if you want to put your wig in a bun. So I'm going to pin down my weave and then I'm going to follow the mark and sew it on the cap. So guys, with this cap I won't be worried about the size of the cap reducing because the lace is not stretchy. So even when I sew on the lace, like, it won't reduce the size. But then when you're using the other cap, just be careful with the band. When you're sewing on the band, just make sure you don't like sew the band, sew the cap. Don't sew the band because it might reduce the size of the cap, because like you're going around the cap, it might reduce the size of the cap.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
So these are two tracks together. So if you don't want the cap to be seen, or also if you don't want the thread to be seen, make sure you sew like 2 or 3 tracks together and make sure the sewing is tight. So this is the second 18 inch, and then I'm going to sew it like just a centimeter apart, because I want when I put it in a bun, no one can notice the cap. Just make sure as you're sewing the second, the third, the fourth, make sure you put the hair in a ponytail, just to make sure like the thread is not seen, the tracks and the cap is not seen.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not.
I have 3 bundles left, 16, 14 and 14. So I'm first of all going to sew the 14 inch, then I'll sew the 16 inch on top, because I want when I put my wig in a ponytail or in a bun, like the extension is longer. And then also, if you notice, I've like spaced it, because when I put the hair in a ponytail, I realized like the thread was not seen, the cap was not seen, and also the tracks are not seen. So when you're making it and putting it in a ponytail and then you realize like the thread is not seen and the cap is also not seen, you can now space like the middle part. So when I put this hair in a ponytail, I realized like I was pulling the weave too much, and that's why you can see the thread. So I decided to just crochet some hair on the hairline to make it look more natural.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions.
This is the wig, and I love the fact that it looks like human hair. Then it's so soft. So the name is Super Bohemian Fashion Idol synthetic hair. So I've not attached combs on it. I want to just try it on when it's like this, and then I'll attach combs and then try it on again. Like, guys, oh my god, like, you can tell that this is not human hair. It's not like a 360 wig. Oh my god, I love this wig. Oh my god, Jesus. So guys, let me just sew combs and a band on it and cut the lace, then I'll be back. Oh my god, guys, I really love this hair. So if you can't afford it, if you can't buy it, you can just make yours at home.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart.
So guys, I'm back. I've cut this lace and then I've applied concealer on the lace, and then I've sewn a band at the back. No combs. I'm going to use the got2b glue to make it secure on my head.
Just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm
So you can wear this hair like this without putting it in a ponytail. So you can just do the side parting. As you can see, it looks so natural, but then on the sides I'm going to glue it down. Yeah, so what I did, I just saw the combs, I just saw the band at the back because I want it to be like flat at the back. But then if you want it to be like flat, like all around, you can sew the band like from here, from temple to temple. So I'm going to glue it down. I'm not even going to do the baby hair. I wanted to do the baby hair, but I just feel like it's okay like this, so I'm not even going to do the baby hair.
'Cause you make me love my imperfections.
Guys, I prefer when you're making this type of wig, the 360 wig without a 360 frontal. I prefer if you use this texture or this type, the curly one or the water wave one, instead of the straight one. Because with this style, it can hide a lot, like, especially like on the hairline.
Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my
That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back.